Alright. I'm gonna shut this door this time because... There we go. Sounds like a jail cell closing. Boom! No, don't put me in here! I thought I'd do a little rant on Wall Street. Or about Wall Street. Last night I was watching this show on CNBC. It was 60 Minutes on CNBC. That's what it's called. And it was about this writer who talked about this disconnection between Wall Street and Main Street. And he was talking about, at some point, Wall Street's is gonna implode on itself because there's such a huge disconnect between the two, between Main Street and Wall Street, and he's talking about the subprime mortgage crisis, to where on them dirty mortgages, that the traders would, or not. He said basically how it worked was, like the investors would tell you to buy, stock in this particular dirty mortgage thingy. Can't think of the word. Oh wow! And at the same time, the traders behind him would bet against it. And I thought that was interesting. And he said, at some point, Wall Street's going to implode on itself because all of Wall Street is like that. And you don't need to be a professional investor to see that. I mean, it's pretty obvious. I mean, I traded full time on the market for a year, and the reason why I got out of it was because of that. Was because of the fact that I saw that disconnect between here and everybody else in the country. And I'm a free market kind of person. I believe in the free market. I believe in investing. But this here isn't free market anymore. It's not. It's just it's people just riding waves of, they go short, they go long, they go short, they go long. And it's its own machine. It's not about investing in a company with good products anymore. It's about speculation. It's I got snot in my throat. Wow. Anyway, but yeah, it's not about investing into quality companies anymore. It's just about writing speculation. It's about writing news. It's like, GM, it has a fourth quarter profit of how much money. Boom, let's all invest into it. Are they giving a good product? They may not be, but let's still invest in it. No. And I've been self-employed the vast majority of my life, and after trading full time for that year, I mean, I just had a whole different perspective on things. What service are these people giving people? They're not giving a big. They're not. Thought I heard somebody outside. Outside. They're not giving a service to anybody. I mean, they're obviously not helping anybody's 401k or anything because, if we're not investing in the companies or if we're not investing in the companies for the specific reason of that company doing good, or if them giving out a quality product or service, why are we investing into a company? I mean, what's the point? Their point is just to make money. They don't care. They're just like, okay, let's just ride it. Let's just ride up the wave or down the wave. Let's go long, go short. And after trading, I was like, you know what? From now on, I'm gonna make my money the old-fashioned way, where I'm gonna give a good product and a good service and a good product. If you can't do those two things, you shouldn't be in business, because you're not giving a service to anybody but yourself. You're only serving yourself. And that's not how you succeed in life. You don't succeed by just serving yourself. You have to, you have to serve others to. Shit. You, you have to serve others in order to get something back. And that's why Wall Street isn't sustainable. Because they're just it's just a self-serving machine. So yeah, I think that's all I gotta say. 5 minutes and 26 seconds. Peace!